How's it, guys? So we got a package in the mail. It's a package, I know it's from Zombie Lures. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up with you guys and I'll show you what they sent me. I think I know what it is, but let's check it out. There's two packages here. I can see those slow pitch jigs because that's my new favorite way to fish. So let's see what they sent. So there's a 60 gram Z slow and another 60 gram. I think the difference here is the one is a pink. I'll open it quickly, I'll show you guys. So there's the first one, and if you guys can see there, 60 gram slow pitch. I'll definitely be trying these out next time we go out. And what's quite nice about these ones, normally when you buy a slow pitch jig, it comes without that. It just comes with your top assist. But these ones come with a bottom assist as well. So it saves me the time of having to put a second assist hook on. Here's the second one. Let's open up this one quickly. It's very similar, just doesn't have the pink on the top, but that's okay. So there's the two. You can see the difference. The one's got more glow in the dark. This one you can see is more green. This one is more white, and then this one's got pink, and this one is just plain white with a nice holographic shimmer. This one's also, yo, these hooks are sharp. It's actually very well made if I have a quick look at it. The hooks seem to be snelled on with a red heat shrink over it, which looks quite nice. So those are those two, and then I see there's another two here in bubble wrap. These are called Greed 60 SS, and I see here, I'm not going to take it out the package. I suppose I might as well. Let's take it out and have a look. I see this one only comes with the top hooks, also snelled on, but these are not heat shrunk, they are bound. But I'm sure these things are going to be deadly. So this is, like I said, it's called the Greed 60 SS. I don't know if you can see there in the picture. So there's two of these. There's one. Let me open this one quickly. Wow, this thing's like stuck together. There we go. Let's get this one open. This is also the Greed 60 SS. Also with twin assist hooks, but doesn't have one at the bottom. But what I'll do before I go out, I'll add another one to the bottom, because I found that the bottom assist does help with your hookup rate. If they hit it, doesn't matter what side they hit it in. So yeah, thanks to the guys from Zombie for sending me these awesome jigs to test. Okay guys, I've dimmed the light a bit, yeah, so I can show you how, hopefully I can show you how these jigs glow. I'm not sure if the GoPro is going to pick that up. but that's it's quite a lacquer glow on that one. And then these ones have got the glowing bands. You can see them glowing nice and green. And then the pink the Z slow. I don't want to switch the light off totally because then the GoPro overcompensates for it. And this one, it goes very minimal, you can't really see it. But the underbelly is painted with a glowing paint. So yeah, we'll see how it looks. Let me just switch the light back on. Yeah, that's the white underbelly I was talking about. It looks a lot better off camera, but I think if you're fishing in the deep like I normally use these, it's normally 60 meters plus, and it already starts to get dark down there. So you'll see most of my jigs I use have the white glow stripes. I do think it helps, but going forward I'll try this one. This one doesn't have much glow, but it's very shiny. And then like I said, as soon as I test it, you guys will be the first to know.